Hey guys, welcome for another episode. And today we are unboxing something that Oppo sent us, and this is the Oppo Reno 14 5G. And as you can see here, medyo maganda yung packaging niya and all that. And standard naman yung box. And they also sent me something cute here, so I'm gonna show it to you in a bit. So eto actually yung pinadala nila. They sent over another phone case na medyo mas stylish and mas flashy and mas cute siya tingnan kaysa do sa regular jelly case. Pero enough of that, let's go back dun sa box. Ito yung box mismo. I'm gonna show you the front, the side, and this is more details on the actual phone unit. So you have it's opal white and it's also 12 gig by 512 gig for storage. I'm gonna show you the side and another on the front. So eto na, ni-remove na natin yung plastic case or plastic cover. So remove na natin, tanggalin na natin sa box. Let's get on with the proper unboxing. So first thing na-notice ko dito is yung bago nilang gimmick, which is yung may nakalagay na "Make your moment" dito sa pagbukas mo ng box, which is a cool little feature. So buksan na natin and pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman nito. Pero obviously, if you've seen a lot of unboxing videos, alam na natin kung ano. So wala na laman and I'm gonna show you here. Meron tayong quick guide and safety guide from Oppo. And then nandito yung regular na jelly case. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Clear. Ayan. Pero syempre, mas gusto ko pa rin yung pinadala nilang extra, which is this one. Which is flashy and stylish and medyo masarap din siya sa kamay. I like the wave pattern, wave design, the colors is really good. And ewan ko, mas masarap siyang hawakan. Buksan pa natin yung ibang parts ng box. So, teka, labas natin 'to. So, eto yung phone mismo, pero mamaya na natin buksan 'yan. Under that, meron tayong couple of things. So, nagtataka ako bakit wala na dun sa box yung SIM ejector. It's here. And ito rin yung wall charger. It's gonna show you what it looks like. Ayan, medyo chunky din siya. So, it means it's more power. And then USB Type-C cable. So, eto 'yan. Okay. So, ayun, maganda rin naman 'yan. Medyo gusto ko rin yung quality ng mga Oppo na cables. Okay, so eto na. And yes, panahon na para buksan natin yung actual phone. So eto na yung phone, nilabas na natin and, actually maganda yung heftness niya, yung thickness niya. It's just right. It's not too thin. Maganda rin yung likod as you can see here and I'm gonna show you yung camera setup. So I think it's a triple camera setup. Pero may LED light din siya sa back for better lighting when you're taking flash photography. And, maganda yung actually natutuwa ako sa quality ng buttons, maganda yung quality ng metal na 'yan. And then siyempre maganda rin yung actual na likod with the colors and all that. And then let me see. Ayan lang, so far guys, eto muna, I'm just gonna show you yung laman ng box. And, I'll do a full review in the coming days. Pero in the meantime, salamat sa pag-watch and I hope you could subscribe and you can like the video and I'll see you agad soon. All right? Thank you Oppo by the way and ingat guys.